DJI Mini 4 Pro, also known as the best mini drone in 2025. It's a mini drone, but it comes with advanced photo and video recording features. The DJI Mini 4 Pro is the latest addition to DJI's line of compact drones designed for those looking for portability without sacrificing quality. Despite its compact size, the Mini 4 Pro offers 4K video and 48 MP photos, ideal for aerial photography and video recording. This model includes a 3-axis gimbal for smooth and stable videos, even in windy conditions. There are 6 visual sensors combined with 34 minutes of flight time that can be extended to 45 minutes with the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus. The visual heart of this device is a CMOS sensor that promises images of impressive clarity and detail. Also, we have to say that the ability to record 4K 100 frames per second slow motion opens up a new world of creative possibilities. With this feature, users can capture and highlight every moment with cinematic precision. Aware of current trends, the DJI Mini 4 Pro includes features designed for today's content creators. A vertical shot, optimized for social media, is a clear sign for digital influencers and creators. A wide 60-degree tilt angle and digital zoom offer unprecedented flexibility, allowing you to experiment with different perspectives and close-ups to tell their stories in unique and engaging ways. One aspect that DJI has not neglected is safety. The Mini 4 Pro includes omnidirectional obstacle detection, which is a significant advance in accident prevention. This improvement over the DJI Mini 3 Pro is complemented by the Advanced Pilot Assistance System, which allows the drone to autonomously avoid obstacles. Thumbs up, that's for sure.